I am the Kyle J. Davis on my Tomahawk flow.
And I'm Cat Baker on my normal person flow.
And we're coming to you today with a real hot topic.
Okay, Wendy. Hot topics.
Bougie.
Ghetto.
Ratchet. Which are you? So,
the choice is yours.
Are you bougie? The best bougie I could think of is Jennifer Williams from Basketball Wives. Like, you know, she's been driving Ferraris ever since she was born, and in the drop top Porsche, and you know, she used to the hostile life in the profile. Or are you ratchet, like Evelyn from Basketball Wives? Does your man or does your girl walk around all the time being like, where? Who? You've been where? With who? Oh, really? That's how you feel? That's no course. I'm scared. So, are you that? Or are you just playing ghetto? Ghetto person is someone who's loud, always doing this a lot, you know, like, you know. But then you also have the subtext. You have booghetto, which is a little bougie and a little ghetto. Or are you like me, booratchghetto?
Or booratchghetto. That's what he is.
Booratchet. And my best booratchet will be Tammy from Basketball.
I don't know if she's bougie though.
Okay. When she's like talking to people and everything, you know, like when she wants to be like, you know, like when they have the little thing where you like in the room, and she's like, well, sometimes I just really don't know how I want to go about this little thing right here. And then she gets up in Keisha's face. What did I tell you? What did I tell you? I told you what to do.
Yeah. Ah! Your drink caught me.
So then you know she get a little on the ghetto side. So it's a little booghetto. Well, boo ratchet. So are you bougie, ghetto, ratchet, boo ratchet,
booratchghetto,
or booghetto? Booghetto. I think of the Atlanta Housewives. I think of booghetto. I think of who do I think of?
About what?
So being ghetto, the code word for it is being about that life, which is again Evelyn.
About what life? There's so many lives to be about.
Like, what makes you about that life? Like, honestly, are you about that life?
Yep.
Like, I'm about that life too. When you get on my nerves. So
I'm about that life 24/7. That's all I know.
So apparently. But you know, we are about that life. I'm about that life in a proper way. Like, if anything happens, I'm just gonna sit there and I'm gonna do what the white people do. I'm gonna let my lawyers handle it. Because 9 times out of 10, the people who want to fight you and do what else not there, they don't even have nothing to lose. They don't have no money. They're like somebody's assistant, or they don't do anything for a living. They work at McDonald's. Not that there's anything wrong with working at McDonald's, because I love my little caramel frap, so I appreciate all of you people who work where you work.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Bougie, ghetto, and ratchet. Which one are you? Let us know.
Boo ratchet!
Boo ratchetto. Deuces.